Hey everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. I'm having so much fun playing with the GelMoment makeup. Today I'm featuring two of the liquid lids, the first one being Sienna. It is a beautiful copper shade. They all have a slightly metallic finish. They aren't glittery or chunky in any way. It's more of a shimmery sheen that makes them so flattering and I think more forgiving to wear. So Sienna's the first one, and then the second one is Plum It Up. It's a really warm toned burgundy color, again with that metallic finish. It is so stunning. So I'm going to create two different looks. I'm going to create the natural look that I'm wearing right now with Sienna, and then I'm going to create more of a dramatic look with Plum It Up. So if you like to learn more about these amazing liquid lids, they just surprised me. They're super easy to apply. They blend out beautifully. They're long wearing. There's no fallout because it's not a powder. So if you want to learn and see how I use these products, please keep watching. For this look, I am using a brush to apply it. So I'm going in with a stiff crease brush and I'm just dabbing it on the doe foot applicator. This is using the color Sienna, and I'm concentrating the color in that outer corner and slightly bringing it up into the crease. So you can see with the very little amount of product that I picked up onto the brush, how concentrated it is in color. So once I have that color placed where I want it, I'm going to blend it out. This product does dry down very quickly. So this is my more natural blended blown out look. So I want it quite blended. You can see how easy that product faded for me and blended seamlessly throughout my crease in the outer corner, and then with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to gently drag it under the lower lash line just to give myself some dimension there as well and give my look just a cohesiveness for the whole eye, top lid and bottom lid. So I'm going in now with some more product. I'm going to repeat those same steps, placing the product down and blending it out. You can see on my finished eye, I have more color and depth on that outer corner. So now I'm just trying to match my unfinished eye with my finished eye. And because this product does dry down so quickly, when you're wanting to build up the color or the dimension, you will have to do it step by step. It doesn't take long though, because the product is so quick and easy to apply and it dries really quickly. So even though I'm layering product on top, it doesn't affect what's already been laid down, which I love. There's no pulling of that base color. It doesn't make anything patchy. Nothing is left bare. It's really quick and easy to work with. So I'm just repeating that process, adding more depth and color. Giving it a quick look over to make sure that both eyes are balanced, and of course finishing the look with Instigator eyeliner and Confidence mascara. So here's the look, natural, blended, so quick and easy, just pretty and polished. And for a pop of color, I added liquid lipstick in Twist of Fate. Now for the more dramatic look, this is using Plum It Up, and I'm applying it right off the doe foot applicator at the base of the lashes. I want to concentrate that color at the base because I want the most drama at the lash line. Going in with my index finger and just grabbing onto that product and blending it up onto the main part of my eyelid. Since the product dries down quickly, you're only going to be able to move it so much. So I'm pulling it up as much as I can until it's completely set. And then I'm going to go in with some more product. So I'm placing it just above what I previously blended, and I'm going to repeat the process. So I'm applying a little bit less product, trying to keep the concentration of color as low to the lashes as possible, and then blending it up onto my lid, giving it a really blown out blended look. So once I've blended as much as I can with my finger, I do like to finish this look with a brush. I feel like it just blows out any transition lines or any jaggedness. So I'm just taking my brush on the outer corner across my crease to make sure everything is just perfectly and seamlessly blended. So now to finish the lower lash line, I'm taking a super skinny brush with a small amount of product right off the doe foot applicator and placing it really tightly to my bottom lashes. Since this is more of a dramatic look, I want color on the lower lash line as well. I want it to balance with the upper lid. So I'm placing that product tight to my lashes. And once I have that color concentrated there, I'm just going to blend it out, not only across my lower lash line, but also down. So it's not just a line of color. You can see the concentration of color, but it's still soft and blended under the eye. So the goal with this look is color, but it's also softness. There is a concentration of color where I'm going to have my mascara and my lashes to give depth, but then there's also a softness because that color is then blown out and really blended across the upper and lower lash lines. The warmness of your finger can help softly blend out any areas that need it. And again, finishing the look with Instigator liner and Confidence mascara. With this look, I'm going in with more of a bold liner, so thicker at the outer corner with a longer wing and some dramatic lashes. Once both eyes are completely done, I can see that my freshly done eye needs a little bit more color. So this product lays so nicely on top of itself. So I'm just adding a little bit more intensity to that outer corner and just going to softly blend it out with my finger. I am all about blending, so I'm giving this look one final go over with my brush. And this look is complete. So you can see that there's a depth and a concentration of color at the lash line on the top and lower, but it's just blown out and really blended across the lid. For the lips, I kept them light and neutral with Pretty Persuasive and risking it all. So I hope you enjoyed and you liked the final looks. I am so excited to receive the other colors. The lighter colors, I really want to play with spotlighting and highlighting the center of the lid for a nice, bright, open look. The color that has me the most intrigued though is the green. It's just so different than anything I have or tried before, and I want to create just something cool and different with it. If you have specific looks or colors that you want me to create, pop them down in the comments and I'm happy to create those for you. But I was just really pleased to work with these products. They don't crease, they dry down nice and quick, there's no fallout, and just depending on how you place them and apply them and blend them will give you any kind of look that you're going for. So stay tuned for more videos featuring the fabulous GelMoment makeup. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and we'll see you all very soon.